Hello everyone, welcome to my channel HowsTheChart. So today we are going to look at both the indices, Bank Nifty, and based on the charts, what are we expecting ahead of tomorrow's expiry? What are the support level? What are the resistance level? Yesterday's video I have discussed about Bank Nifty. I did not cover Nifty, but today we'll start with Nifty. So today ahead of the US GDP release, both the indices closed 1.14% for Nifty and 1.34% for Bank Nifty below yesterday. So today it was a bear market. Now let us see that for both the indices, what are we expecting to based on the charts. Before we get into that, I like to give a disclaimer that I'm not a SEBI registered broker or not a trained specialist or certified specialist. So please do not go ahead and take position based on my explanation, my research. Do your own research and based on that take positions on tomorrow's market. Okay, let us get into the Nifty chart. So now when you see the Nifty chart, you'll see that it opened around 22,214, closed at 21,951. So the high was 22,229. So the opening and the high was, the day's high was on almost the same level, around 15 point difference. And similarly it closed 36 point ahead, like 36 point above the low of the day. So this is not a very good closing, specifically on the like if we consider day-to-day basis. Now if we see the chart, the the Nifty has created a triangle pattern and it is trading within this range, within this triangle pattern range, where the support is around 21,850 levels and the resistance is around 22,200 to 22,300 level. So if we consider tomorrow, and if based on how Dow and Nasdaq has, or the US market has closed today, based on that, if it doesn't observe a gap up or a gap down, gap up is, I don't think it will be a gap up opening, but gap down openings chances are high. Nifty was strong till today. It was trading around the lifetime high zone, but after today, as it seems, it might test the bottom support of the triangle, or it can go below that as well. So if we draw the, I have drawn the EMA exponential moving average 50 days and 200 days for Nifty, and see it's way above even for exponential moving average 50-day exponential moving average. It's way above of that. But there is another support range that that it has took today, and that was the volume weighted average price. So if you see today's graph, the candle, it took a support around 21,913, so 900 to 950 level, and from there it closed exactly above that. So if to be exact, the volume weightage average price is around 21,951. So it took a support from there and it closed on 21,953. Now if tomorrow it breaks that, then there are few supports. The first support would be around 21,800 to 21,850 level. That's the first support. Then the next support would be around 21,600 level. So if it breaks the 21,800 support, it will go below 21,800 and we are expecting it to take a support from somewhere around 21,600 level. But if it breaks that support as well, then there is a high chance that it will go till 20,300 levels in the next few days. Yes, though the Nifty has before also it has taken support around 21,100, 21,000, but that was within the within the triangle pattern. So it was trading within the triangle pattern. But now if it breaks that 21,800, it is going below the triangle pattern, and the next base support is at 20,300 level. And why I'm saying it can go till 20,300 level is because, see, in the chart there is a gap in this chart on 1st of December and on the 4th of December. So during this span there is a gap in the chart, and that gap has not been filled up. Bank Nifty has filled up its gap, but Nifty haven't filled up the gap yet, and it will come down to fill this gap. May not be tomorrow, not in the coming weeks, but sometime in the future, and it has to. There cannot be a gap in the chart, and as I have told you yesterday also, there cannot be a gap in the chart. It has to come down and fill that gap, and then it will go up. So based on that, the support lies exactly around 20,300 level, and that's why I'm saying that if it breaks the 21,800 and then 21,600 level, the next best support is around 20,300 level. So the resistance, it's around 22,380 level. If it breaks that 22,380 or 400 level, then sky is the limit. Also, as based on the VWAP, basically, which is volume weighted average protocol, volume weighted average price in the indicator, which is actually not a leading indicator. Neither it is bearish nor it is bullish indicator. It basically gives you a date as it's basically gives you an understanding that where are the supports and how to trade the based on those supports. So if it tries to break above or below the level, if it is above the level, then you have a bullish. If it goes below the level, there is a bearish tendency, but it's a tendency. It doesn't. It's a momentum. You can say it will help you to gauge the momentum. It's itself is not bearish, not bullish, or not a leading indicator as well. So when I say about leading indicators and lagging indicators, it is basically a lagging indicator. It's not a leading indicator. Now if you see this chart, it is basically a lagging indicator. It's not a leading indicator. Now if we look into the Bank Nifty chart, this is a messed up chart. So Bank Nifty today has broken the support of 46,000, right? 46,000, and again if you see here also the volume weighted average price is around 45,963, and it is exactly closed around the same level, and it is also the same, exactly at the same level. So now if tomorrow there is no gap down opening and it doesn't goes below 45,900, then we can expect it to at least test 46,500 level, because now as it stands there are a lot of call writing also at 46,500 level. So which was it supports previously. Now since it went down that support, it's a resistance for Bank Nifty. If it breaks 45,900 level, then the next support will lie around 45,700 and 45,500 level. I believe it will be around somewhere around 45,700 level. If it breaks that support, it will test the 200 exponential moving average, that is 44,800 to 45,000. It will test 44,800, 45,000. If it breaks that as well, it will take the support from the base of the cup and handle, which is around 44,500. So we are expecting Bank Nifty that it will not break the 45,700, 800 level. It will take a support from here and it will go up. But if it breaks this, then there would be around a downfall till 45,000. Possibilities are of also 44,500. Now, where is the resistance? The resistance is, the first resistance it will face around 46,000. Second one is 46,500. And then third one is 46,900. And then 47,200. So if it crosses 46,900, it will definitely cross 47,000 and it will test the 47,200 levels. That's for sure. But at this point of time, it's trading at 45,900, and I believe it will break 45,700 level and it will test 45,000 levels. Even if we historically check also, last time when it, like I have discussed yesterday as well, last time when it created that cup and handle, inverted cup and handle pattern, it also went up and went down below that handle within a period of time. Here in this case it is doing it on a shorter period of time. Like this happened around within a span of 1.5 months, and this is happening in a span of it's the same. So this might go, if it breaks tomorrow the supports, then 45,000. If it break 45,000 also, then it will break 45,500 and it will come to take a support again on 42,000. I am not actually scaring you guys. It's just based on the chart that what I think of. This is what I see in the chart. Now, if you see, let's come to the positives. If you see the put call ratio, in both cases for Nifty and Bank Nifty, the put call ratio is 0.53 and 0.58 for Bank Nifty. So that means it's very, like, it's way oversold right now. Secondly, the Indian VIX has also increased to 16.33. So we can expect some volatility tomorrow. It will not be a one-way downfall or a one-way bullish trend. There would be volatility tomorrow as well. And another thing that you need to understand, even if we have a gap down, or even if we have a gap down tomorrow for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, do not buy puts. Do not buy puts. Yes, you're hearing it right. Do not buy put. Why? I'll tell you. Nifty today closed at 951, right? 21,951. But its February future is at 21,895. So it's already around 50-60 point discount, right? 56 point discount to be exact. Similarly, for Bank Nifty, that range is higher. For Bank Nifty, it's around 191 point discount. Sorry, 190. 191 point discount. Right, 191 point discount. So the futures are already discounted. So even if you buy a put tomorrow and it goes down, the premium of the put will not change that much. So if you say, for an example, if it is 200 point, it goes down, you buy a put, you will not see the difference in the value of the put if you're buying the put. Okay, so there will be not a lot of premium changes for the put itself. Now, if we see the option chain for both the indexes, okay, so you see, for Nifty, it's still it's giving you a premium of 112 at 950 and 85 rupees at around 900. And for Bank Nifty, the 46,000 put is around 356 rupees, which is 364 rupees, which is very high. So even if it goes like, the future is already discounted, right, till 228 points is already discounted, right? And for that you are getting a premium of 364. So even if the spot goes down as well 300 points, you will not see a lot of changes in this 364. So be very cautious before trading tomorrow, buying on puts both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that's all for today's analysis. Let me know, share your feedback. If you like something, let me know. If you dislike something, let me know as well. I am trying to share my knowledge, whatever. These are strictly my research. This is what I feel like. It's not what is going to happen tomorrow. I am also learning as I trade, as I invest in the market. And this is my perspective of the charts. I might be 100% wrong, but this is my perspective. I wanted to share it with you guys. I'll never say that I'm right always, and whatever I'm saying that will gonna happen. But this is completely my perspective. I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know. Thanks for joining me in. I'll see you in next video with some more analysis. Hopefully this time we'll have a bullish market tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.